attention to details very well. Visual
Got one
detail.
above us.
Oh, I haven't been in here. Okay. Here's where all the weapons are, guys.
Oh shit. You notice your shield and the health I'll fuck that right now.
What now?
Is it just me? Is it just mine? Never mind. It's just me.
You have gained the lead. You have lost the lead.
No, there's two in the trench, the ice trench. One more down at the bottom.
Go CS. I'm trying to keep them distracted for you.
Thank you, thank you.
No way, I had him. That was bullshit. That black DJ is broke. I don't know how.
Well, I hadn't killed
you see
anybody,
us.
but I hadn't died yet either. Doing my part for the team.
Lead.
No fucking way. See us
Thank
on the
you.
left of you. On the bottom down the right side at. Oh, I had a grenade. There's one more in the broke with you. Down to +50.
There's two of them inside the house, y'all watch out.
Windows, they're in the windows of the house. Three of them in the windows.
Took one out.
Oh man, I just can't get to the kill. Oh my goodness! What was that?
yeah.
What was that? That hurt. Oh my gosh!
That one there broke. Down.
Oh, whoa! We all got killed at the same time over there.
Bottom umbrella.
Guys, just aim at the
Two of them.
windows.
That guy's like cooking in that damn zone.
Well, I'm aiming, but I ain't hitting.
Three kills remaining. 2 kills remaining.
Oh, flights are currently canceled.
Alright, all I've done is not die. Thank you very much. Yay!
There we go.
I wish it showed damage so I wouldn't feel
Yeah, I
like such a
agree.
loser. Because I know I helped.
Wow, really? Killing it.